My name is MCFL Diagnostics for you, and this is just a short video to show our shop. So as you can see, we stock a wide variety of different diagnostic tools of top-ton, Autel and Launch, as well as special tools and key coding machines. We stock a wide variety of different timing tools for Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Renault, Alfa Romeo, Citroën Peugeot, Fiat, Opel, Land Rover, Ford, BMW Mini, as well as VW Audi. See, we are a registered company in Brackenfell, Cape Town. We are at Unit 24 inside of Platinum Business Park. If you are outside of Cape Town, it's not to worry, as we have a contract with the courier guy, so they courier all our packages nationwide.